They said coconut oil is great for you, but this is what they didn't tell you. First, let me say a few words about coconut. This super healthy fruit belongs to the Ericaceae family in the Coccoidea subfamily. Coconut's flesh contains high amounts of healthy fatty acids, and the composition of fat is different depending on the type and processing of the oil. Did you know that almost 90% of the coconut oil is actually the medium-chain saturated fatty acids? Well, there is also a small amount of monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids. What is so good about medium-chain fatty acids? The medium-chain fatty acids are easily digested, utilized, and absorbed by our bodies, and they freely cross the blood-brain barrier in the unbound form. Well, this means that it can be used by the brain as an energy source and for neurological health. Virgin, unrefined coconut oil is easily available and offers the following properties: antimicrobial properties, infection-fighting, bacteria, viruses, yeast, fungi, protozoa, and parasites. Anti-inflammatory properties, anti-carcinogenic properties, does not allow spreading of cancer cells and boosts the immune system. Non-toxic to people and animals. Improves nutrient absorption, it is easy to digest, makes fat-based vitamins more available to the body, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Antioxidant, it protects against free radical formation and damage. How can coconut oil be used? Improves digestion. The saturated fats found in coconut oil will help you control the parasites and fungi, which cause indigestion and other issues related to digestion like irritable bowel syndrome. The coconut oil will also improve the absorption of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids into the organism. Nose bleeding. The coconut oil will help you prevent nose bleeding, which is caused by weather sensitivity. Here's what you need to do: just put the oil in your nostrils to strengthen and protect the capillaries. Helps with nausea. Here's what you need to do: just rub the coconut oil inside the wrist and the forearm to calm the upset stomach. Bowel function. It relieves constipation, inflammatory bowel disease, gut infections. Note: you should take it internally. Age spots, liver spots. Here's what you need to do: just apply coconut oil directly on the affected area and they will fade away. Aftershave. Coconut oil will help heal and improve the health of your skin without clogging the pores. Baldness. Just combine coconut oil with some rosemary, thyme, lavender, cedarwood, jojoba oil, castor oil, and a little cayenne pepper. Apply this mixture 3 times daily or before going to sleep and massage in. Soothe burns. You just have to apply coconut oil on the affected area and continue with applying it until it heals. Bug bites. You should also know that coconut oil will stop the itching and burning sensation and speed up the healing process. You just have to apply it directly on the affected area. Bruises. When you apply coconut oil on the affected spot, it will enhance healing. Body scrub. You can use coconut oil as a body scrub. Just mix it with salt and rub the skin. Then, you need to rinse it off with cold water and add essential oils for a specific smell. Dandruff. Coconut oil will moisturize the scalp and moisturize the dry skin, relieving dandruff symptoms. Cradle cap. It will nourish your baby's skin and will eliminate the cradle cap. Here's what you need to do: just rub 1 teaspoon of coconut oil onto your baby's scalp daily. Chapstick. Just rub some coconut oil on your lips. Coconut oil will also provide protection due to 4 SPF. Face wash. So, the next time you wash your face, make sure you use this mixture instead of soap. Just mix equal parts of coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, avocado oil, and castor oil. You need to rub this mixture on your face, leave it on for 2 minutes, rinse it off, and then you need to dry your face. Eye cream. If you want to reduce puffiness, bags, and wrinkles under the eyes, you just have to apply coconut oil. You can use it on the lids overnight. Tattoo healing and moisturizer. The coconut oil will protect the pigment from fading, and it speeds up the healing process. and decreases the chances of infection. Swimmer's ear: just make a mixture of garlic and coconut oil and put a few drops in the ear for 10 min. Make sure you repeat this procedure 2 to 3 times a day. Wrinkle prevention and wrinkle reducer: coconut oil will help you strengthen the connective tissues to bring back the youthful look. Bones and teeth: coconut oil will improve the absorption of calcium and magnesium, which can lead to better development of teeth and bones. Breastfeeding: you just have to consume 3½ tablespoons coconut oil every day to enrich milk supply. Insulin support: coconut oil improves the utilization of blood glucose and insulin secretion, which makes it amazing for non-diabetics and diabetics, too. Fitness: coconut oil will boost your metabolism, improves the function of the thyroid, escalates energy levels, decreases unwanted fat, and increases muscle. Diapercept is very comforting in a rashy bum. Lung function: coconut oil will increase the fluidity of cell surfaces. Weight loss: the healthy fats found in coconut oil will speed up the weight loss process and help you control your carvings. Vitamin and nutrient: as we said, coconut oil contains high amounts of vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Stress relief: here's what you need to do. Just apply coconut oil to the head in a circular, massaging motion to relieve mental fatigue. The natural aroma helps in lowering the stress levels. Gum health: improve the health of your gum with coconut oil. Mental cognition and productivity: the medium-chain triglycerides found in coconut oil can pass freely through the blood-brain barrier, which provides an alternative energy source for improving cognition. Deodorant: coconut oil is even more effective when you combine it with arrowroot cornstarch powder and baking soda. Hair gel: for curly hair, rub a little of coconut oil between your palms or scrunch into hair. For wavy and straight hair, comb in through with your fingers from the scalp towards the ends. Hair conditioner: deep treatment: you just have to apply 1 teaspoon of coconut oil on the ends and run your fingers through your hair to distribute the rest. Deeper treatment: just rub in 1 tablespoon on the dry scalp and go towards the ends, put a shower cap, and let it stay overnight. Healing: coconut oil forms a thin layer that protects the wounds from outside dust, bacteria, and virus. Lubricant: it is natural and perfectly safe, not compatible with latex. Moisturizer: apply all over the body and the neck. Massage oil. Makeup remover: you just have to apply coconut oil with a cotton swab to remove any excess makeup. Pre-shave: it will soften your skin and prepare it for the pending damage caused by shaving. Acne fix: you just have to use a small amount of coconut oil underneath your makeup to reduce oil gland stimulation. Nipple cream: coconut oil nourishes cracked, sore, and dry nipples. You just have to apply coconut oil with cotton ball and let it stay between feedings. Skin conditions: it relieves skin issues like eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis. Sunscreen: did you know that coconut oil has 4 SPF? Sunburn relief: just apply coconut oil into the affected area. Stretch marks: it nourishes damaged skin. Toothpaste: you just have to mix coconut oil and baking soda to brush your teeth. Autism. Asthma: coconut oil is good for children as well. Alzheimer's, dementia. Allergies: seasonal hay fever. Adrenal and chronic fatigue. Acid reflux, indigestion: just have some coconut oil after your meal. Poor circulation: apply coconut oil on the skin in light circular pattern toward the heart. Cholesterol: improves HDL to LDL ratio in people among people with high cholesterol. Candida albicans. Cancer: coconut oil prevents colon and breast cancer. Bronchial infections and cystic fibrosis. Flaky, dry skin. Epilepsy: it reduces the seizures. Diabetes: keeps stable blood sugar levels and helps with cravings. Mild depression and cognitive disease: it is good in combination with cognitive behavioral therapy, fish oil, and other treatment strategies. Colds and flus: acts like an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent. Heart disease: coconut oil protects the arteries from injury, which causes atherosclerosis. pylori oral intake, and antibiotic treatment occasionally. Gas. The oil will help re-establish healthy gut flora. Gallbladder disease. The oil helps in increasing the bile flow, and it also helps with gallbladder problems. Kidney disease and stones. Dissolves kidney stones. Jaundice. Irritable bowel syndrome alternates diarrhea and constipation. Immune system builder. Hot flashes. Hemorrhoids. You just have to apply externally or internally 2 times a day. Migraines. Menstrual relief. Mental clarity. Malnutrition. Lung disease. Liver disease. Thrush. Stomach ulcers. Prostate enlargement. Periodontal disease and tooth decay. Pancreatitis. Urinary tract and bladder infections. Thyroid function. Acne. Boils and cysts. Back pain and sore muscles. Toenail fungus. Athlete's foot. Allergies. Hay fever. You just have to rub it inside the nostrils for a quick relief. Head lice. Apply topically. Genital warts. They go away in 2 years on their own, but additional application of the oil over 6 months will be very helpful. Decongestant. Rub it on your chest and under the nose when congested from cold or allergies. Circumcision healing. Pink eye. You just have to apply it around and in the eye. Hives. Coconut oil will reduce itching and swelling. Herpes. Apply it topically and take internally. Gum disease, gingivitis, and canker sores. Use it as a toothpaste. Insect repellent. To keep insects just off, mix coconut oil and peppermint oil extract and rub all over the exposed skin. Chewing gum and hair remover. Rub some oil and let it stay on the hair for half an hour, then roll the gum between your fingertip. Glue gun. Just get some coconut oil and baking soda in equal amounts and make a paste. Apply this paste on the sticky area and let it stay for a minute. Scrub it off with an old toothbrush. Polish furniture. Polishing bronze. Oiling wood cutting boards and wood bowls. Moisturizing and cleaning leather products. Soap making. Seasoning cookware. Seasoning animal hide drums. It is also helpful and beneficial for animals as well. Coconut oil disinfects cuts. It clears up skin conditions. Coconut oil prevents and treats yeast and fungal infections. It makes coats. Coconut oil improves digestion and nutrient absorption. It helps reduce weight, regulates and balances insulin, and promotes normal thyroid function. Reduces or eliminates bad breath in dogs. Reduces allergic reactions and improves skin health. Promotes healing on cuts, wounds, hot spots, dry skin, and hair. Aids elimination of hairballs and coughing. Aids in arthritis or ligament issues. Aids healing of digestive disorder. Helps sedentary dogs feel energetic. Helps prevent or control diabetes. Great for general wellness. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.